Find the sizes of the lettered angles in the figure below. We are to find all the angles for all these ones that are represented by letters. What you want to do anytime you see something like this, you should follow it alphabetical order. The way they arrange it, for it to be easy for you, you follow it alphabetical order, it will be very easy. Now we have, according to it, now A is the one we're supposed to find first. So what is our A? A is equal to 57 degrees. Put your reason. Alternate angles. Like I said, this is inside GSS2 mathematics. You've been taught all these alternate angles, corresponding angles, angles on a straight line, angle meeting at a point. You've been taught in GSS1. So this one is just like revision of what you have been taught. So after finding A, we are going to be finding B. B and A, both of them are on a straight line. So that means A plus B will give us 180 degrees. Now our reason is angles on a straight line. We already know our A to be 57 degrees plus B equals 180. You collect like terms. 180 degrees minus 57 degrees, that will give us 123 degrees. We find our B now. Let's go and find our C. So if we want to find C, we look at it. Our C and our B, they are corresponding angles. I know you've been taught corresponding angle where they use them as F angles. But let me explain when we say one angle is corresponding. Both of them, if they will be on the same side, and if one is under the line, the second one too must be under the line. And if one is on top of the line, the second one too must be on top of the line. That's why we say they are corresponding. They must be on the same side, and also wherever they are must be the same. So now C is equal to C and B, they are equal, and our reason is corresponding, okay, equals to, since our B is 123 degrees, so our reason is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Now, after finding our C, D is the next one that we want to find. Our D is equals to C. What's the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Now, after finding our D is our E that we are looking for. Our E, you can see that your D and E, they are on a straight line. Your E and C, they are on a straight line. You can also use E is equal to 57 degrees, and our reason is also vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Hope you are getting it. Now let's go to the next. After our E is letter F, we read again. You can see that F and D, they are on the same side, and D is on the line up, F is also on the line. So we can say our F is equal to letter D, which is 123 degrees. And you give us your reason, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Now, after finding our D is our G that we have to find. Like if you want to find your G, you can find it. You can say, okay, you want to use corresponding angle because this 57 and G, they are actually corresponding because both of them are on the same side and also they are under the line at the same time. And you can also say that, okay, you don't want to do it like that. You want to say that, okay, your G and F, G plus F equals 180 degrees. You give us your reasons, angles on a straight line, angles on a straight line. And you already know your F. So you substitute the answer for F, which is 123, wherever you see F. You collect like terms. G is equal to 180 degrees minus 123 degrees. G is equal to 57 degrees. We've been able to find the sizes of all the letter angles in this figure.